G'day everyone, Daniel Anderson here. Welcome to this episode where we're going to have a look at something pretty cool and something I've been waiting for a little while, and that's the new meeting experience in Microsoft Teams. So as we know, we've got the pop-out chats, which is something that's super handy, especially I've been using that a lot and I love that feature. This one is probably going to be a little bit better, and it's the ability to be able to pop out your meetings and calls into new windows. So let's take a look. It's just landed in my tenant. So we're going to have a look at how we can first of all turn that on, and then let's have a look at the experience that you get with these new features. So you can see here I'm in Microsoft Teams, and first thing we need to do when you've got the update is you need to click on your avatar and you need to go to settings, and you actually have to turn the new meeting experience on first. So there's a little tick box and a little option here that appears. It's unticked by default, so you have to come into here and you need to tick that first, turn it on and restart Teams. After you've restarted Teams, then that will make that new experience available for you. And let's jump in and have a look at how that works. So I'm going to jump into my calendar here. I've already got a new meeting that I've set up here. Now I'm just going to jump onto my mobile phone here because I've invited my other user account. So I'm going to open up this meeting. Now you can see here that I've invited an external user, and I'm going to click on the join button. Okay, so when we go to join, you can see here that the new experience is now in a new window. All right, so the meeting's now popped up in a new window, and I can now join. It looks really nice. The UI is good, and let's now join this meeting. So I'm going to join this meeting. I'll just turn the okay. So because I'm recording this on this webcam, I'm just going to change my device settings, and I'm going to change it to, where's my camera? I'm going to change it to my Surface camera. There we go there. Now let's bring this in front. There we go there. All right, so we've got the meeting up and running. We've got the camera, and we've got the new experience, okay? So now what we can do is you can see here that we've got, instead of the floating bar down the bottom of the meeting, we've now got the meeting controls pinned to the top, which is a great thing because it used to really annoy you when it was down the bottom here. So we've now got that at the top, okay? What we might do is I'm just going to turn this camera off, and now let's join with somebody else. So I'm just going to join on the other account here. So we're going to join in here. You can see here that this person has now is sitting in the lobby. So let's view the lobby. And what we can do now is we can, there's a couple of little subtle changes here as well. So you can see here we've got some new buttons. Let's admit this person into, which is me, admit this person into the meeting there. And let's now, what I might actually do, let's just turn the camera on my audio on my phone there. So there we are there. Hello everybody. Let's turn that off. Good. And we can see that that's now, we're all now in the meeting. So the actions at the top here as well. So we've got the leave meeting, and we've also got the end meeting now, which is sitting at the top here. We can share our screens, we can open the tray, and all our actions are now pinned to the top, which is a nice change. But what this now allows us to do, because it's opened up in a new window, it allows us to do some other things. All right. So what we're going to do now is we're now going to start a chat with Megan. And what we might do with this chat is we might pop this out as well. So here we've got a pop-out chat. And what we also do now is we've got the meeting. So we've got our meeting or our call in one pop-out window. And now what we've got is the chat window, which is not associated to this at all. And we've now got that the chat and the meeting experience in two separate windows. All right. So with the new meeting experience, it does provide a great what I think is a great functionality, something that I've been hanging out for. I can now have my meetings open up in a new window. I can still use Teams in a separate window, and I can also have my other chats that I've got popped out in other windows as well. All right. So look out for that addition and that update. I'm just going to end this meeting now. So let's end that. So look out for that update coming to your Teams client. Remember, you need to go in and turn that on. So click your avatar, go to settings, turn on that new meeting experience. But if you want to check for the update, you can actually just click on your avatar and go check for updates. That'll run the update, grab the update, restart Teams, and then see if you've got that option there for you. So I hope that brings you some value. Pop out meetings and calls in the new experiences in the Teams client. Go and get it. It's going to bring you some value. Hope I see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching. See you next time.